Welcome to Engage Math, Pre-Algebra Lesson 5, Problem 2, and we are using the distributive property. To remind you, the distributive property is when a number or a variable outside of a parentheses has to be distributed to both of the terms or even 3 or 4 or 5 terms inside a parentheses. So we're going to just roll through these knowing the distributive property. So this first one is 4 times x, which is 4x, and 4 times 7 plus 28. Okay, this time we're distributing a negative 3. So you have negative 3x minus 6, and we're done. Next one, 1/2 gets distributed. So 1/2 x, and I want to make sure you see that 1/2 times a negative 4 is really like negative 4 over 1, which becomes a negative 4 in the numerator and a positive 2 in the denominator. And we know that that reduces to negative 2. So the 1/2 times the negative 4 is simply negative 2. Okay, the next one, we're going to distribute that negative 8. So we're going to get a negative 40x plus 40. Okay, let's go to the next one. And this next one's a little confusing at first, but it really is the same thing we've been doing. It's just that this time the number we are distributing is all the way on the right. So the negative 2 is still going to distribute to both of the terms inside the parentheses. So what we end up with is a negative 6x, and negative 2 times 1/2 really means 1/2 of negative 2, because of and multiply go together in math. So it's negative 2 times 1/2, which means it's just minus 1. Okay, the next one, we're going to distribute that negative 2, and we're going to get a positive 6x minus 8. And we're done. Great job. See you next time at Engage Math.